Hello and welcome to Ross & Park Motors. Another new arrival here today. This time it's a Peugeot 3008 1.6 diesel active. Very nice car, drives absolutely without fault. Gear change is nice. This is an automatic as well. It's got service history, it's done 71,000 miles. They're good on fuel. These will do 52 a gallon easily if you take your time, maybe even a little bit more. They're £20 a year road tax. Plenty of space in them, good family car, decent boot. It's like a split level boot, the bottom bit pops down. If you were to look at the pictures you'll see that. It's all just been machine polished, so it's all looking nice and shiny. All the insides all just been washed as well, so it's all looking good. It's a nice clean car, a little bit better than the average I would say that we get as they've come. 71,725 miles is it on the speedo there as we do the video. So it's good spec, front and back electric windows, electric mirrors, got cruise control, aircon. As I say, it's an automatic, but it is a nice car. Some more pictures on the website. It's rossandparkmotors.co.uk, or you can give me a call 07868 722 133. The car will come with a service, it will come with a no advisory MOT, that's always our aim, and it will come with 3 months parts and labour warranty. Thank you.